Hello sir. I am Emma. I can try my best to reply your question in my knowledge. How can I help you?
What's your name?
My name is Emma. I am AI robot made by A.B.S. EMON. Hello sir. I am Emma. I can try my best to reply your question in my knowledge. How can I help you?
Tell me about BDU, IoT and Robotics Department.
Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Digital University is a Bangladesh's first specialized government digital university. It was established in 2018. It is situated in Kaliakayr, Gazipur, Dhaka. History On July 26, 2016, the government of Bangladesh enacted a regulation inside the National Assembly to set up this varsity on a 50-acre website online adjoining to Bangabandhu High Park in Kaliakayr, Gazipur district. In the 2018 to 2019 educational 12 months, university began its educational sports from March 2019.
What time is now?
Current time is 4:09 a.m.
Tell me a joke.
A programmer was found dead in the shower. Next to their body was a bottle of shampoo with the instructions lather, rinse, and repeat.
Can you date with me?
Sorry Vaya, I am in another relation with my boyfriend Eamon.
Who is Allah?
I do not understand your question. But I am going to search for you in Google.
How to make a hydrogen gas?
I do not understand your question. But I am going to search for you in Google.
Play a YouTube video about Surah Ar-Rahman.
Playing a YouTube video about Surah Rahman.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم